say money no good, oh. Go and check yourself, oh. Something is the matter. It can be typhoid or malaria, baby. Money good, oh. Half person go say money no sweet, you. Money sweet.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time, you know what to do. You know, do I have to remind you? Have video on me and subscribe. As you have seen me cutting chicken, cutting tomato, blending everything. I'm making stew for my clients. Yeah, I'm making chicken stew with fresh tomato, fresh. Like this is my signature stew. If you eat this stew, you come back again. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing right now. I'll finish cooking this chicken. The water is boiling. I want to dry the water in the tomato. Then I'll start frying it. It doesn't take time. Yeah, so Welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time, my name is Chisom Udeze, a bulk blogger based in Pakistan. Welcome back. Help me like this video, share, comment. Yeah. So that is what I'm doing this morning. My client ate my stew, the one that I'm selling in the shop, and he likes it. So he wants me to make a bowl of stew for him to keep in his house. So that he'll be eating it small. If he eats my signature stew, yeah, it's nothing that will not make you come back to request for it again. Yeah, so join me. Let's continue cooking. I'm about to fry the chicken right now. Yeah, the chicken is here. I'm about to fry it. So let's go.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.